I'm still amazed that so many of my colleagues continue to overcomplicate their full arch restorative process. Stress levels seem to go up when a full arch of implants has to be restored, and it just does not need to be that way anymore. Some of this, I think, is born from a fear of change, maybe a bad experience, maybe a case where costs have spiraled when things haven't gone to plan, or sometimes from simple decision paralysis, as many struggle to decipher all the information thrown at them. Well, I'm here to tell you that it doesn't need to be that way. With the right lab partner, the right workflow, and clear communication, restoring full arch implant cases can really be made simple and stress-free. And that is why we created DigiBridge. It's got 4 pathways and 2 workflows, fixed pricing with beautiful results. DigiBridge is your safe place.